It's been 25 years. Can you believe it?
I love Ted.
I was wondering if 25 years was a long time or not, if it was worth celebrating. But then I figured out, you know what? Princess Diana was still alive when we opened up this place. Tiger Woods had not won a golf major championship at that time. We've been here a long time. It's 6 o'clock, time to give away another $100. I cannot thank Calhoun County enough. I can't thank all of our community partnerships enough, our awesome customers. We're ready to do it for another 25 years. How about you?